Hello, curious minds! Welcome to our Earth adventure. Today, we're going to explore the amazing planet we call home, Earth. Let's go! Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only planet known to have life. It's just the right distance from the Sun, neither too hot nor too cold, for liquid water to exist, making it perfect for life to thrive. Did you know that Earth is mostly covered in water? About 71% of Earth's surface is ocean, and the rest is land where plants, animals, and humans live. Earth has a protective blanket of gases called the atmosphere. It shields us from the sun's harmful rays, traps heat to keep us warm, and provides the air we breathe. The surface of Earth is diverse and includes mountains, valleys, deserts, forests, and more. Earth orbits the Sun once every 365 days, which we call a year. As it orbits, Earth also spins on its axis, causing day and night. This rotation takes about 24 hours. Earth is a special place full of life, beauty, and endless discoveries. See you next time for more exciting adventure.
With oceans and tide, mountains high and valleys low, so many wonders for us to know. Earth, Earth, our precious land, filled with life so grand. Fluffy and white, rainbow colors in the light. Animals roam and birds take flight, in forests deep and sky so bright. Earth, Earth, our precious land, filled with life so grand. Icebergs floating, oceans tide, fields of green and flowers so fair, life abounds everywhere.
Hey kids! Enjoyed the video? Show some love by hitting like and subscribing for more awesome learning adventures. Thanks for watching!